How to create Xbox account. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open any preferred web browser and then search for xbox.com. Open first one and here you have to tap on this icon. After that, if you have a Microsoft account, you can simply log into that account. If not, you have to create a Xbox account. For that, you have to tap on this create one. Now here provide a email address. So you can simply create an email address. Tap on next and here you have to create a password and tap on next. Then provide your first name and tap on next. Then you have to select your country or region, so it's just select it. Then after select birth date. Then tap on next. Now you have to verify your email address, so you just have to enter the code that is sent to this email address and tap on next. After that, the Xbox account will be created and you would be able to sign into your Xbox account using this. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.